Here's how to make your friends list private on Facebook. Now open up the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android or go to facebook.com. Now if you didn't want anyone else to be able to see who your friends are and not be able to see anyone that you are friends with, we need to go into your settings to be able to do that. So on the iPhone, you can see at the bottom right is that little menu button. You can tap on that. However, on a computer or Android, it'll be at the very top right. Now from here, let's get to your settings by scrolling down, tapping on settings and privacy, and then settings. Now within here, they move it around a good amount. Unfortunately, they updated it fairly recently, so it's in a new spot on where you can set that friends list either from public or friends over to private or only you. So what we're gonna do is scroll down to how people find and contact you. And then there you can see who can see your friends list. It says friends here, or your friends on Facebook can see your friends list. You can set this to friends accept or friends, specific friends. Or if you wanted to hide this or make it private, all you need to do is switch this over to only me, AKA once you hit the save button, only you will be able to see who you are friends with.